The obsession of politicians and bureaucrats with red beacons on their car tops has become a regular traffic menace. But now the Supreme Court, acting in public interest, has suggested to the government to end this Lal Batti culture. A huge debate has begun, but the question is, will the government respond to remove the red beacons which are used to flaunt status and intimidate the common man?
As if the traffic on Indian roads is not already a nightmare, the mere sight of these red beacons signal delays and inconvenience for the common man. But now the Supreme Court has stepped in.
Taking strong exception to the misuse of red beacon lights in VIP vehicles, the Supreme Court today asked the Government of India if these VIP vehicles could discontinue using the red beacon lights. In fact, they said that for vehicles such as fire brigades, ambulances, police or army vehicles, the red beacon lights could be continued to be used.
Our question is, who should be legally authorized to use it? Can the huge spectrum of people who today use it, it's become a badge of honor, and it creates huge traffic issues, huge issues of inconsideration to other people, and that is what I think the Supreme Court is reflecting.
The only exception for the Lal Batti the Apex Court suggests should be fire brigade ambulances, police and army vehicles.
I know many people here are MLA equivalent people who put a red light on. This is not for you. I'm asking you, why has no Sarpanch, MLA or MP's red light ever been removed in the history of independent India when they have been committing this illegality for so many years? It's not just the red light, they also use the...
And a huge debate has erupted over the Lal Batti culture.
Action, you can remove the red light.
We have to restrict it. It has to be only for functional necessity, sort of magistrates on duty. On duty is the key word. And policemen on duty, police patrols, etc., etc. Secondly, we see these ladies going to Sabji Mandi buying sabji using the,
good point.
I mean, it's preposterous.
I only use the flag on the car which I was entitled to either to go to the Foreign Office or to when I was going for an official meeting, but you don't go for social occasions with the flag flying. Similarly, you must make a distinction between what is functionally required and what has become just a status symbol.
But this ticket for undeterred passage through every traffic signal has only encouraged blatant violations and ever-growing demands from those used to flaunting the red beacons.
The arrogance of politicians, and that includes Trinamool politicians also, can be tempered only by cartoons. Well, this cartoon I did a few months back, and I did it when MPs and MLAs demanded that they should be treated differently in airports and metro also. So I did this cartoon. This MP with a headlight, with a red light on his head is going, and the wife is saying that Gandhi cap is passe now. He has a red light helmet now.
While the Supreme Court's suggestion may not be music for politicians and bureaucrats, if the government decides to end the Lal Batti culture, it would be a huge relief for the average commuter. Bureau Report, Times Now.